Hello everyone, my name is Chetan. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, Samsung's flagship phone for 2020. I have a whole separate video on Samsung's budget device, the Galaxy S20. If you haven't seen that yet, the link is right below that like button. Pause this video for now and check that video first, as these phones share some similar features. But the S20 Plus packs a bit more. That we'll be checking in this video.
A few moments later.
Now that you guys have checked the S20 video, let's start with the main and the most obvious change in the S20 Plus, its display. The S20 Plus packs a larger 6.7-inch display. That means more Quad HD AMOLED screen real estate. The screen is super responsive, and as you guys must have seen in my S20 video, this new series now sports a 120Hz refresh rate with a touch sensitivity of 240Hz sample rate. Means the response to touch input is twice as fast. The whole new speed difference is instantly noticeable. It's tough for me to show you guys this difference in this 60fps YouTube video. You need to experience this screen to actually feel the smoothness. But for using that 120Hz refresh rate, you need to bump down the resolution to 2400 by 1080. So there's a decision you have to make between Quad HD screen or the 120Hz refresh rate. And this time around, the screen is flat rather than those curved edges we saw in previous flagships. Moving on to the next upgrade of this phone is its battery. The S20 Plus has a bigger 4500 mAh battery, which is a good thing as this larger screen will drain more battery. Plus, these phones support 25W fast charging with the charger included in the box and wireless charging too. The next change we see is in the camera section. Identical to S20, on the back we have a 12MP main camera, a 64MP 3x telephoto lens and a 12MP ultra wide. On the front, we have a 10MP selfie shooter, but we get an additional depth sensor on the back of the S20 Plus, which will help in taking those cool portrait shots. The camera interface remains the same with the ultra wide, normal and 3x quick toggles. In addition to that, you get these extra zoom toggles all the way up to 30x. You also get this zoom preview whenever you zoom in too much into your subject. On video side, we get the similar 8K 24fps option, which will look super clear but consume lots of storage space. The software on which the S20 series run is called One UI 2.0. It's basically Samsung's skin on Android, but it's improved a lot from the earlier versions, but still I prefer the stock Android experience. The UI is nicely tuned, so even if you're handling a big phone, you can easily get to most of the options. And speaking of big phones, Galaxy S20 Ultra video is in the making, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon to get notified when I post that video. And I'm sure you guys don't want to miss that one. It's a crazy phone. Speaking about specs, the S20 Plus sports a 6.7-inch 120Hz Quad HD Plus OLED screen, the top-end Snapdragon 865, 12GB RAM, 128 or 512GB storage plus support for micro SD, a better 4500 mAh battery, triple camera setup of 12 plus 64 plus 12MP with an additional depth sensor, 10MP selfie camera, in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating. Speaking about the price, the S20 Plus costs $200 more than the S20. The base version starts at $1,199 and about 74,000 rupees in India. That's about it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to click that like button. And if you don't want to miss the S20 Ultra video and some more awesome videos, be sure to be subscribed if you haven't already, and click that bell icon to get notified when I post some videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.